Essay, a village fair. Every year in the village, a big fair is held. People wait long for the fair with great eagerness. Preparations are begun even months ahead. Big field is leveled and cleared for the fair. A sort of bazaar is set up where all kinds of shops are arranged and very well decorated. On both sides of the path there are shops and stalls. Besides, there are numerous hawkers whose shrill cries fill the air with loud noise. This fair is held in the memory of Pir Abdullah Shah, a famous saint. On the day of the fair, there is a great bustle in the village. The villagers from far and wide, wearing their best clothes, they enjoy their holiday and get happy. In the evening, they come home laden with the day's purchases and distributes them among the members of the families.